Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen case lineup for your Google Pixel 7 and your Pixel 7 Pro. Now, all of these cases you can get from online. I'll throw the links up in the description. Everything that you're going to see in this video is under 25 bucks. I repeat, under 25 bucks. So let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She had a fresh flea treatment, so she got the day off. Now, when you buy your Pixel 7 or your Pixel 7 Pro, you're going to notice it does not come with a charger. Now, if you want to take advantage of the 30-watt fast charging speeds, you're going to need to buy a charging brick. First, let's take a look at the Spigen Power Arc ArcStation Pro. Now, this one is going to run you $24.99. Now, Amazon Prime members, you can save 30%. Now, this is GaN, gallium nitride. So that means faster and more efficient charging in a smaller form. Okay, $24.99. Okay, let's check this one out. Okay, inside, certificate of authenticity, plug it and file it, plug it and file it, flick of the wrist. Here's the Power Arc ArcStation Pro. Now, this is a travel charger because the prongs do fold up. Bong, just like that. 30-watt fast charging speeds. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Let me grab a cable. Okay, now it's USB Type-C. Plug that in. Drop this into power outlet. And let's see if we get any charge. Bong, just like that. Charging right up. Okay, so this is the Spigen Power Arc ArcStation Pro must-have accessory. $24.99. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's take a look at some cases. First up, we got the thin fit. Now, this one is going to run you $16.99 to $17.99, depending on the color. Now, everybody knows Spigen cases are the truth, but check this out. Made for Google Pixel. So now Spigen cases are officially made for Google certified. Official tissue. Okay, so this is the thin fit. Now, y'all seen this on my channel 1,001 times. This is one of those mandatory cases for me. Let's see. Okay. Plug it and file it. Flick of the wrist. Thin fit. Okay. Nice matte feel on this. No fingerprints. Spigen logo. There's your buttons. Cutouts. Cutouts. So let's drop this on the Pro. Look at the razivity. So it is Slamboy certified. Only adds a little bit of extra thickness. Your camera's recessed. Let's check the button. Okay, there's your button. Now we're going to check wireless charge. We got the Spigen wireless charger. I'll leave the link for this in the description. Light popped up. Bang, there it is. Thin fit. Again, all the way around protection on this. Not too much extra thickness. Now let's see how it looks on the original 7. Okay, let me work on my flick of the wrist. Okay. Bang, just like that. $16.99 to $17.99, depending on the color. Thin fit. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the rugged armor. Now, this one is going to run you $16.99. Made for Google certified. Let's check this out. Okay, now y'all know how I feel about carbon fiber. We got a CFA, carbon fiber alert. This one has the matte feel on the back. Okay, so no fingerprints. Little Spigen branding. There's your buttons, cutouts, and on the side, got a nice little grippy pattern. Okay, let's drop it on the 7 first. Okay, let's check the button. There it is, nice clicky button. Look at the razivity. Slamboy certified. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Now, this is a classic Spigen case, and don't worry, the carbon fiber is not going to peel off. Let's see how it looks on the Pro. Rugged armor. Okay. Now, on the inside, you got your web pattern. That's for shock absorption. Okay. Check that button. There it is. Look at this. Again, not too much extra thickness, but you get a lot of protection. And of course, carbon fiber. Why? Because race car. This is the rugged armor, $16.99. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Ultra Hybrid. Now this one is going to run you $15.99. Okay. No more sticker struggles. Just peel this off. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. Ultra Hybrid. Now this is one of those mandatory cases, especially if you got the Hazel Pixel 7 Pro. You're going to want to showcase that color. This is a nice transparent style case. All right, fully transparent. There's your buttons, cutouts, cutouts. Let's go ahead and slap this one on. Now, this is going to give you a nice grippy feel. Let me get a little wipe down for the dramatic effect. Bang, look at that. You can still see the beautiful color. Okay, camera's recessed. Full screen protection. Slam Boy certified. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. And let's check that button. Real nice. Ultra Hybrid, mandatory status. Let's see how it looks on the snow version of the Pixel 7. Again, no more sticker struggles. One more. Okay. Drop this one on. Check the button. There it is. Look at that. Now you can still enjoy these beautiful colors with the protection that you need. Bang. Slam Boy certified. Everything works. Okay, so this is the Ultra Hybrid, $15.99. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Liquid Air. Now this one's gonna run you $16.99 to $17.99, depending on the color. Okay, Liquid Air. Now check this out. Nice grippy pattern on the back. Again, all matte, so you get no fingerprints. Web pattern for shock absorption. There's your buttons, cutouts, cutouts. And if you look on the side, same thing. Nice grippy pattern. Let's drop this one on. Okay, check the razivity. All the way around, screen protection. Slam Boy certified. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Let's check the button. Official tissue. Okay, so this is the Liquid Air. Let's see how it looks on the 7. Okay, flick of the wrist. Same thing. Just drop it on. Boom. Just like that. Everything works. Okay, so this is the Liquid Air. Like I said, $16.99 to $17.99, depending on the price, depending on the color. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, let's take a look at my favorite case from Spigen, the Tough Armor. Now this one's gonna run you $18.99 to $19.99, depending on the color. This is my absolute favorite case. Y'all seen this for the last 10 years. The Tough Armor. Okay, flick of the wrist. Now inside, you got your foam. Okay, air cushion. That's for shock absorption. This is a 2-part style case. So you got TPU and a hard shell. Look at the button. Nice grippy feel on that. Get your plus and minus. Okay, cutouts, cutouts. Let's go ahead and slap this on. Now this is going to give you maximum protection. Look at all that juicy razivity. Slam Boy certified. And check this out. You got an actual working kickstand. So if you want to watch your videos, bang, just like that. And watch this. You hear that snap? No flappage on the kickstand. Let's check that big juicy button. Okay, extra juicy. Let's check the wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. This is the Tough Armor. I love this case. Camera's protected. Nice amount of thickness. Maximum protection. Now let's see how it looks for the 7. Okay. Let me work on my flick of the wrist. Y'all seen the follow through? Same thing. Okay, tough armor. Slaps in there just like that. I love this button. Now, one of the things that I don't like about the Pixel is the button is up a little bit too high, but with this case, you can easily differentiate between power and volume up. So you're never gonna accidentally press the wrong one. Okay, so this is the Tough Armor, $18.99 to $19.99, depending on the color. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the Slim Armor CS. Now this one is gonna run you $19.99 to $20.99, depending on the color. Now this is my favorite case for going out when I don't wanna take my wallet because it has the CS, which stands for card slot. Okay, so you got a nice slot. Let's check this out. Okay. Now on the inside, there's your web pattern for shock absorption. Oh, look at this, new design. So you got the ridges on the back, and look at that. There's your card slot. Drop your driver's license and your credit card right in there and rock out. All right, so let's try this one. Now look at all that resivity. So you're still getting Slamboard certification. Let's try wireless charge with no credit cards. Okay, there it is. Now when you're ready to hit the streets, one hand open, drop in your driver's license and your credit card, close it right up. No flappage, so your cards ain't gonna pop out, but you get easy access. Let's check the button. There's your buttons, all your cutouts, everything lines up. Okay, Slim Armor CS. Let's see how it looks on the 7. Flick of the wrist. Bang, just like that. Okay, all black everything. Let's get and drop this one on. Bang. Look at that button. Nice separation. Nice press on it. One hand open. Charge it to the game. Bang, locks back into place. So this is the Slim Armor CS. Again, $19.99 to $20.99, depending on the color. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so this is the full Spigen case lineup for your Pixel 7 and your Pixel 7 Pro. Now remember, everything that you've seen in this video, under 25 bucks. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm Matt. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.